Hello guys! Today I have a tutorial for DIY sticker application. First things first, you need to clean your surface. In this case, it's a car front windscreen. You will need a tape. Measure to make sure your sticker is in the center of the windscreen horizontally and centered. You will need a masking tape that you're going to use to make key marks, and it will also help you to hold the sticker decal whilst you are measuring. Once you have your sticker centered, you need to cut masking tape. Please note, you only cut the masking tape between the windows and where the sticker begins. Do not completely remove masking tape before you stick. Cut one side, open sticker from one side. Peel backing sheet of the sticker halfway. Match masking tape from your sticker with one cut on the windscreen. Place small piece by the end. Squeegee gently using a squeegee. Don't use bank cards. Do the same on the other side. Cut masking tape. Gently pull the left over of the sticker. Place to match masking tape. Nicely stretch to avoid creases and squeegee it gently. Make sure you squeegee the sticker nice before removing. Application tape and masking tape. Subscribe for more tips and tricks.